Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how to download and install Nova Launcher on your Android TV. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you find this video helpful. So if you're interested in changing your smart TV or Android TV launcher, this video is going to show you how to download a new launcher and how to install it to your Android TV. And this launcher is called Nova Launcher. So for us to download and install Nova Launcher to Android TV, please follow me attentively. I'm going to be showing you step by step. The first step is for you to come over to this application called Downloader, which is the application we are going to be using to install the Nova application. If you don't have downloaded on your Android TV, in the description of this video, there's a link I've attached that is going to help you to install Downloader to your Android TV. After installing Downloader, all you have to do is just go ahead and launch it. Now, Downloader helps you to download files and install apps to your Android TV. It is a browser and also as its name says, downloader. So just go ahead and launch it. You go over to this box here and type in the code. Type in this code. So here's the code 6887715. Once you type in the code, just go ahead and click go. Now what this code is going to do is it's going to launch us a couple of app stores that we can use to install our Nova launcher. Now I'm going to show you exactly which one to use and what exactly to do. So please do not stop watching. Once you're here, come down to this option that says Misfit Mods App Store. So in this option, there are many apps that you can install to your Android TV. And for this matter of this video, I'm interested in the Nova launcher. So just scroll down a little bit to the bottom. So here is it, Nova launcher, and this also just a secret. This is the Prime version. Alright, so you come over here, you just click on it once and the application will start downloading right straight away to your Android TV. And once it's done downloading, you can just go ahead and install it. Just give it a moment to complete downloading. Once it's done downloading, just go ahead and click install and the application will be installed straight away to your Android TV. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you find this video helpful.